Hello, brothers and sisters. I want to show you some visually how it syncretize um, ripple effect does syncretize with sine wave that always great masters like Santo Bonacci and um, Ken Wheeler talking about. Um, So in visual, I just found this random picture on Google and just put these lines over the waves. And basically you're looking at our universe, our cause of effect, you know, where we, and how it, how it's related to this um, longitudinal wave or longitudinal standing wave, and how when something causes to disturb the uh, pond, then wave starts happening, and usually that goes there, and see that cone shape there. It creates another cone on the bottom, which is like basically it's like a Star of David, because there is two cones, and then you have like compression happening, and then when it's after compression, then it's rarefaction. So red and blue. So as you see here, because he needs uh, basically this is a symbol of the universe, and you know, um, even symbol of a lot of um, like a menorah and flat earth and everything, because this is how basically visually looks like, even because you have these waves, like you have this, if you imagine like really calm pond, water pond, and you cause something, you drop the water drop in the middle, and then you cause disturbance of that plane of inertia that it was uh, you used to be. So see this when it's you have the waves, you have up and down waves right here, just like I described it. I mean with marker, and that relates to this same zodiac sine wave that we have here. Like always, the top of the wave is the Tropic of Cancer, and the bottom of the wave is Tropic of Capricorn, and goes and between there is equator, which is that plane of inertia, which is basically equator. So it's like Aries and Libra. So and you can even see it here. So like when you put like Capricorn on the bottom of the wave, you see it's on the bottom, it's like underwater, it's below the inertia line, like right here. It's, for example, you have a Capricorn right here, and just maybe I have on the other side, and I have a inertia line right between these. This is the basic level of that inertia that it used to be before it was disturbed. So, and once it got disturbed, it has depth. See, it's like Tropic of Capricorn depth here, which is wilderness, and that's why all this from Libra to Pisces, all that signs are more like mystic. Well, they're like more like mystical and intuitive signs. And up, this is like right here, this is Aries, and this is tropical of Cancer right here. And it goes down, it's like Leo, Virgo, and then again you have Libra here, and then it goes to Libra to goes to Scorpio and the dark dark side of the wave. So basically you can see the sine wave in here in a ripple effect, and in the middle you have a mountain Meru, which is magnetic mountain that everybody's talking about. And this is, you could just imagine, this is like a Sirius, star Sirius, which is the dog, shepherd. And well, there is you can see there is a reflection here, so that's considered as a black sun, because there is two suns, and then sun behind the sun too. And so everything is whatever it's whatever it's below on the top is the same. It's just it's a mirror reflection of each other. And basically that's very important to visualize, because this way you can meditate on this kind of like this image, for example, and just like make sense for yourself, like how that fits, and it makes a perfect sense for me with the sine wave. And even top view, if you look at a top view, I have a drawing here, which is the basically same thing, but on the top, this is like that middle of that ripple effect. And as you see, like here's the Tropic of Cancer, basically, which is the middle one, and then south, like which is north, and around it, all around is south, basically, and west and east, east and west. East and west happens only with ecliptic, because as you see, sun goes and travels with analemma figure, doing figure 8. So what it does, like this is equator here, and so it's March 21st is right here, basically on this point, and opposite of that is September 21st. So that's Libra. So that's east and west, and basically it moves just like that around. And it's really interesting, because it relates to this drawing. I mean, this is hyperboloid in the middle, kind of, and you have this toroidal field around, which is torus field, and then you have this one cone here, and second one, which is like kind of like that, which is Star of David, basically. If you put them together, that's why this symbol it's always existed. And then you have waves here, as you see, waves in the wave, and it's very important too. This is kind of the way I imagined. And also this is we kind of have only 6 sign, because the rest of them, it's just a reflection of them. So there we go. You have Aries here, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, and rest of them are a reflection of that. It's a mirror image of him. So it's kind of, hope it explains a little bit the way I illustrated here. And thank you so much. everybody.